Good afternoon, local fans, customers, and prospective customers. Rafi Konsker here, president and owner of Preferred Plumbing Solutions. Wanted to say hello. Wish you guys a happy March 15th. I told my kids that spring is around the corner, and told them it wouldn't snow again. Every few days I keep on saying that, but then you have a look out here, and yeah, I definitely think I was wrong. It definitely is snowing. But we are here for you as always. We got fantastic, qualified, highly trained technicians ready to meet and or exceed your needs. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out. We're always here for you. If you're looking for a trusted company, we are, I believe, the best there is. Give us a call.